Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Technical Star. Small notice, this video is the continuation of my previous video. If you missed it, the link is given in the description. Go and watch it now. Now in this video I am going to show that how hackers can see our desktop lively, which means the screening. Now this is my hackers window. Here you can see a picture on the screen, which means actually that is not a picture, that is the live screen of the user's window. Let me check whether it is correct or not. For that, let me go to the user's window. Yes, this is the user's window. Let me do something. Let me open Notepad. I am going to type here something to know whether really the hacker's screening is really working or not. I have typed here, hi, how are you? Now let us check whether my hacking machine screen changes to Notepad or not. Look at that, we can clearly see the user's window and the Notepad which was opened in user's window. In this way, the hackers can see exactly what we are doing with our system. And the next thing I'm going to show is how the hackers will download and upload their files into the user's window, which means into the user's system without the permission of the user. For that, let me download a car image from the browser into the hacker's window, which is going to be uploaded into the user's window without the permission of the user. Let me download this one. I'm going to save the image with the name Bench. First, let me show you in users window whether the named bench image is exist or not. Let us see. Let me type here bench. You can see all the files. There is no named bench file exist. Let me type here bench. You can see here there is no such file exist in the users window. Now let me try to insert that image from the hackers window to the users window without knowing the user. To insert the image into the victim system, the hacker will just type upload followed by the path of the image where he wants to insert, and which is followed by the name of the file. And that's all, everything. He just uploaded the image into the user's window. Now let us check really whether the image is uploaded to the user's window or not. Look at that, you can clearly see that the image is Ben's car. In this way, the hackers can upload their viruses into our system for their full access of the control on our systems. In this way, they can also download any file they want to download from our systems. We will educate you how to protect yourself from these kind of attacks from the hackers, so please subscribe for those videos. If you like our content, please do like, share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment your opinion. To know more about hacking, you can contact us personally through the links given in the description. Telling you once again, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching.